All right, what up, guys? My name is George Do Real Estate, and I do real estate. It's self-sufficient, right? But I want to just touch on people need to. You gotta focus on the high dollar tasks. Now, what I mean by that is, all right, I want you to think about where most of your income come from. When you go to file your taxes this past, where do most of your income come from, right? So you look at it. Say you got your main job, W-2, you got a little side business, you got this, but I want you to look at where do you bring in the most bang for your buck. So when we go deeper into it, all right, evidently your job, you might bring in the most money from that. So you might bring like $50,000 to $40,000 a year from your job, but also you might cut yards on the side. Oh no, let's say this: you might sell cars on the side, and you have flipped 3 cars, and you have made $20,000, right? And it took probably a month. So 3 months out of the year, you flip cars, and you made 20 grand. But you worked your job for 12 months and made 40, 50 grand. So now, you see how, all right, you made more money at your job. So yeah, you focus, you go to work, you say, yes, sir, yes, ma'am, you do your job. But this is what you need to do. You need to learn and figure out, how can I sell more cars? Because just think about it. If you sold 3 cars in 3 months and made $20,000, that each car you almost profit $7,000. So just to get the 40,000, you need flip 6 cars, and that's 40,000. That's only 6 months. Now the rest of the 6 months out of the year, you can do what you want. But focus on high dollar tasks, high dollar hour, and start not neglecting but delegating tasks that doesn't pay as much as this, selling cars. That's your bread and butter skill that you make a lot of return as far as your time. So imagine a barber. A barber could clean other people clippers and charge say $40, and it take an hour. Or a barber could say, hey, it take me 15 minutes to cut a hair, I charge $25. In an hour, I can cut 4 heads. That's 25. That's $100 an hour. So is your return better on cleaning clippers for other barbers, or cutting hair? So evidently you made $25 head over here. So cutting hair is more profitable than cleaning clippers. So just look at it, in that aspect. And as far as me, I really just understand, like, I'm a realtor, right? But deep down inside, I feel like a real estate investor. So I don't really focus on being the #1 realtor in my city or the state. That's not my goal. I don't really want, that's not what makes me happy. So, but what I come to realize is, houses is the best way for me to get a return on my time, because selling houses, yeah, it may take a while, but it's not that much time. It's kind of like 30, 45-day process of helping a client, and it takes time, but it's not an all-day 8-hour job. So that's like the big return as far as me in real estate and just in life in general. So I want you to sit down. If you watch cars on the side on the weekend and you make $400, but you got a job and you make $600 a week, let's look at that. Okay, on this one day, I make almost half what I make at my regular week job. And that don't mean go quit your job tomorrow. I'm not telling you that. What I'm saying is, you have a good problem. Not a bad problem, you have a good problem. You just got to figure out how to change that 1-day job to a 6 to 5-day job, 5 to 6-day job. So this is what you do to get there. First, you need to work on yourself. Pray, exercise, eat right, be with your family. These things gonna trickle down to you being the best you can be. And that's all you can ask for. God bless. I'm about to head out. Peace.